Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of financial freedom or simply earning extra income without being tied to a 9-to-5 job, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 easy and practical ways to earn passive income in 2025. These ideas are still fresh, competition is low, and they don't require advanced tech skills or huge investments. Just simple projects that can grow into reliable streams of income over time. Idea 1. Renting out small spaces. Most people think you need to own a big property to make rental income. But in 2025, new platforms are making it possible to rent out tiny spaces, like your backyard, your garage, or even a small room as a shared office. For example, in a small town in Oregon, a young couple listed their empty backyard on a new app. Within weeks, photographers and families started booking it for mini photo sessions and weekend picnics. Today, they earn around $600 a month without lifting a finger, other than keeping the space tidy. This is a simple way to turn unused space into steady income with very little effort. Idea 2. Smart vending machines. We've all seen vending machines selling snacks and sodas, but in 2025, they've gotten smarter and smaller. Now you can place them in beauty salons, gyms, apartment complexes, or even subway stations. A young woman in Berlin bought a compact vending machine and filled it with eco-friendly phone chargers and healthy protein bars. She checks it twice a week to restock, and it brings in $400 to $700 monthly. The best part? The machine works 24/7 while you sleep, and outside of big cities, competition is still very low. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Tell me which idea excites you most. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Idea 3. Local subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are nothing new, but in 2025, they're becoming more popular at the local level. Imagine curating a simple box with products from your area: local honey, handmade candles, herbal teas, or small kitchen tools. In Madrid, a student started a subscription box with just 15 subscribers, each paying €20 a month. She sourced everything from local farmers markets. Today, her subscribers have grown to more than 70, and she now earns over €1,000 monthly. People love the surprise of opening a box each month and discovering new things, especially when they come from their own community. Idea 4. Shared tools and equipment. The sharing economy is growing fast, and people are asking, why buy expensive equipment if you can share it? That's where the idea of tool libraries or shared equipment memberships comes in. Instead of buying a lawnmower, a power drill, or camping gear, people pay a small monthly fee to borrow them when needed. In Toronto, a group of friends started a simple tool library in one of their garages. Neighbors pay $10 a month, and now more than 80 households are members. That's nearly $800 every month in recurring income, built from one-time investment in good tools. It's not just about money. These projects also create stronger communities, and people love being part of something bigger. So let's recap the 4 ideas for passive income in 2025. 1. Renting out unused small spaces. 2. Smart vending machines. 3. Local subscription boxes. 4. Shared tools and equipment. Each of these projects is simple, affordable, and doesn't require advanced skills. All you need is the courage to start small. Remember the couple in Oregon with their backyard, or the student in Madrid with her subscription boxes? They started with almost nothing, but today their ideas bring them steady income every single month. If they can do it, so can you. So, which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more ideas that can change your financial future.